Good people, I hope you're well. Did you know that you could be walking or sitting with elevated blood pressure and you feel perfectly fine? So apparently the use of this simple machine could save your life. So ideally what I want to bring it on board, you ought to know that high BP does not hurt until it takes away life or until it kills. So I know some of you might be asking, now what is this blood pressure? So you ought to know that blood pressure is always the force of blood that's always pushing against the blood vessels. So when the blood pressures are too high for too long, it silently damages your heart, your brain, your kidney, or even eyes. So you ought to know that there are people, most of them will present with no signs or even symptoms. They will always look fine, but deep down the organs might be suffering. So you ought to know what are the possible signs. So ideally, probably your BPs were high for a longer period of time. So what are the signs that might come in? So there are those who will present with stroke. There are those who will present with heart attack. There are others who will present with kidney failure, and the others will present with collapse. That's why we are saying the use of this simple machine will really help you. So let's keep it practical. Now for adults, you're supposed to check your blood pressure at least once in every 3 to 6 months. And those who have this diagnosis, you're supposed to take it frequently. So I want us to do a challenge. Today, I want you to check your blood pressures, of which in all hospitals always free. You will not be charged anything, but even if you will be charged, you pay for it, because we've talked of silence doesn't mean that you are safe. Okay, so check your blood pressures today